In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wise PIN. We'll walk through the key security areas in your Wise account, so you're in the right place to manage sensitive settings like your PIN. I'll keep things clear and simple and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, head to wise.com in your browser. Make sure you see the secure lock icon in the address bar and that the web address is correct. This ensures you're on the legitimate site before entering any personal details. If you prefer the mobile app, that's fine too. But today I'm demonstrating on the website for maximum clarity. If you're not already logged in, the site may prompt you to sign in before continuing, which is normal for anything related to security. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile. This is your hub for account settings. From here, you can access all the controls that govern how you sign in, how your identity is verified, and where you'll find options related to changing secure credentials, including your PIN. If you manage multiple currencies or cards, your profile area keeps everything organized in one place. Now, click Security and Privacy. This section is designed to safeguard your account and protect your money. It's where Wise places controls for login protection, recovery options, and device management. Any changes to your PIN or other sensitive details may require additional verification, and this is the area that handles those checks. Take a moment to scan the page so you know what's available, and be prepared to confirm your identity if you're asked to. From here, click two-step verification. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection beyond your password. Turning it on or reviewing it helps ensure that only you can approve important changes, like updating your PIN. Depending on your setup, you might see options involving an authenticator app, SMS codes, or device prompts. Keep your primary method up to date so you don't get locked out when you need to confirm a change. Finally, click Passkeys. Passkeys let you sign in using strong device-based credentials, often with biometrics like a fingerprint or face recognition. They reduce reliance on passwords and codes and make the whole process of confirming security changes faster and more secure. In this section, review what's available on your device and follow any on-screen guidance to get set up or to manage existing passkeys. That's it. By navigating to your profile, opening Security and Privacy, and reviewing two-step verification and passkeys, you'll be in the right place to securely manage updates, including changing your Wise PIN. Take your time, confirm any prompts, and keep your recovery